family has 3 children. Draw a tree diagram to show all possible combinations of boys and girls. Calculate the probability of getting all boys, all of the same sex, exactly 2 girls. क्वेशन हामीले के भन्छ भने एउटा परिवारमा 3 जना बच्चा छन्. अब हामीले all the possible combinations of boys and girls देखाउनु पर्यो via a tree diagram. Okay? र त्यसपछि हामीले यी 3 वटा probability calculate गर्नु पर्ने छ. Okay? So let us first draw a tree diagram. अब 3 वटा बच्चा छन् भने कि त boy कि त girl हुन सक्छ, राइट? 3 वटा बच्चा छन् भने हामीले ट्री डायग्राममा 3 वटा ब्रान्चेस बनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. ओके? सो लेट अस से this represents a family. Okay? Now, a family has 3 children. Out of these 3 children, we can either have a boy. Let us represent the boy by B, or either we can have a girl. Let us represent the girl by G. Okay? अब पहिलो बच्चा कि त केटा हुन सक्छ कि त केटी हुन सक्छ, right? So we will draw one branch. It can either be a boy or it can either be a girl. हैन? हाम्रो फर्स्ट चाइल्ड can be a boy or a girl, right? अब फर्स्ट चाइल्ड boy हुने प्रोबेबिलिटी कति हुन्छ त 1 divided by 2. Similarly फर्स्ट चाइल्ड गर्ल हुने प्रोबेबिलिटी कति हुन्छ त 1 divided by 2. हामीले यो कसरी लेख्यौं? 1 represents the number of favorable cases for getting a boy and 2 represents the sample space. Okay? हाम्रो sample space मा कति जना छन्? कि त boy कि त girl, right? So the sample space is 2 and the number of favorable cases for getting a boy is 1. हैन? Similarly for girl, the number of favorable cases for getting a girl is 1 and the number of sample space is 2. Right? अब यो हाम्रो भयो for the case of first child. Okay? अब हामी जाउँ second child can also either be a boy or a girl. हैन? So यो branch बाट हामी दुईवटा सब ब्रान्च निकाल्छौं. It can either be a boy or a girl. Similarly, यहाँबाट हामी पनि त्यसै गर्छौं. So यहाँबाट पनि हामी दुईवटा ब्रान्च निकाल्छौं. It can either be a boy or a girl. Okay? The probability of getting a boy is 1 divided by 2. The probability of getting a girl is 1 divided by 2. The probability of getting a boy here is 1 by 2. The probability of getting a girl here is 1 divided by 2. This is in case of second child. Here है त second child can either be a boy or a girl, right? It won't be affected by the result of the first child. हैन? यतिसम्म हामी क्लियर छौं हैन? अब second child यदि boy छ भने the probability of getting a boy is 1 divided by 2. Similarly, the probability of getting a girl is 1 divided by 2. Here also, if the first child is girl, then the probability of having boy as the second child is 1 divided by 2, and the probability of having girl as a second child is 1 divided by 2. Okay? अब हामीले third child को लागि पनि एउटा सब ब्रान्च निकाल्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. Okay? So from here, if the second child is a boy, then the third child can either be a boy or a girl. Right? Similarly, if the second child is girl, then the third child can either be a boy or a girl. Similarly, from here, we can draw a boy or a girl. Similarly, from here, we can draw either a boy or a girl. This is for the third child. Okay? The probability of getting a boy as the third child is 1 divided by 2. The probability of getting a girl as the third child is 1 divided by 2. Similarly, all the probabilities here will be 1 divided by 2. Okay? This is our tree diagram. We see that the first result is of boy, boy, boy. This is the result of boy, boy, boy. This is the result of boy, boy, girl. This is the result of boy, girl, boy. and then we get the result of boy, girl, girl, and then we have girl, boy, boy, and then girl, boy, girl, and then girl, girl, boy, and then we have girl, girl, girl. हैन हामीसँग यी 8 वटा combinations छन्, right? So these are all the possible combinations of boys and girls. Okay? अब first question ले हामीलाई भन्छ to find the probability of getting all boys. In the first question, if we have to find the probability of getting all boys, it will be P of B, B, B. Right? So, हामीले यसमा कुन केस हेर्नु पर्यो? The case of getting all boys. Right? अब यदि हामीले probability of getting all boys निकाल्नु पर्यो भने we can write this as P of B into P of B into P of B. The probability of getting a boy is 1 divided by 2 here, 1 divided by 2 here, and 1 divided by 2 here. Right? So we can write this as P of B into P of B into P of B. This will be equal to 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 2. This will be equal to 1 divided by 8. Therefore, the probability of getting all boys is 1 divided by 8. Okay? Second question, we have to find the probability of getting all of the same sex. भनेको कि त तीनवटै बच्चाहरू केटा हुनु पर्यो कि त तीनवटै बच्चाहरू केटी हुनु पर्यो. That is, we have to find P of BBB union GGG. Okay? अब P of BBB union GGG हामी कसरी लेख्न सक्छौं त? We can see that if the first child is a boy, then it cannot be a girl. हैन? Similarly, if the second child is a boy, it cannot be a girl. A third child पनि, if it is a boy, then it cannot be a girl. Similarly, if the first child is a girl, then it cannot be a boy. If the second child is the girl, then it cannot be a boy. And if the third child is a girl, then it cannot be a boy. So, this is a mutually exclusive event. Mutually exclusive event को केसमा हामीले के पढेका थियौं भने P of A union B is P of A plus P of B. Right? In this case, we have P of BBB union GGG. So, we can write this as P of BBB plus P of GGG. P of BBB हामीले के क्याल्कुलेट गर्यौं 1 divided by 8. Similarly, P of GGG हामीले क्याल्कुलेट गर्यौं भने we will get the result as 1 divided by 8. That is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So we can write this as 1 divided by 8. यदि यसलाई हामीले सल्भ गर्यौं भने the answer will be equal to 1 divided by 4. Therefore, the probability of getting all of the same sex is 1 divided by 4. Okay? Third question हामीले भन्छ to find the probability of getting exactly 2 girls. Exactly 2 girls. Or यो combination मा हामीले हेर्यौं भने we can see that this combination has all boys, this combination has 1 girl, this combination has 1 girl, this combination has 2 girls, right? So this can be one of the combination. We need exactly 2 girls, right? So एउटा यो combination हामी लिन सक्छौं. अर्को combination के हुन सक्छ त? This combination has 1 girl, यो combination मा फेरि 2 वटा केटीहरु छन्. अनि यो combination मा पनि 2 वटा केटीहरु छन्. यो combination मा 3 वटा केटीहरु छन्. So this can be the possible combinations for the third question. So हामीले यी 3 वटा combination को probability find गर्नु पर्यो. Okay? So in the third question, we have to find P of BGG union GBG union GGB. This will be equal to BGG. P of BGG कति हुन्छ त? BGG. Right? This is 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 2. This is 1 divided by 8. Right? Plus GBG. भनेको यो combination भयो. That is GBG. Right? The probability will be 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 2. This is also equal to 1 divided by 8. Plus GGB. GGB means this combination. So will be G, G, B. Probability कति हुने भयो 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 2. The probability will again be 1 divided by 8. यसलाई हामीले solve गर्यौं भने the answer will be 3 divided by 8.